You need help? Good girls. Say good morning here.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Guess where we are today?
We are at the Philippines.
It's 10:02 in the morning and we are in
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast. Can you put this on your hair, ate baby girl? Yeah. Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
I think it's there.
Kakadrop lang namin kay Daddy Mike, guys, sa kanyang dentist. So, remember last time nandito kami. And, today ay naka-schedule siya para sa kanyang bunot ng kanyang dalawang wisdom teeth. So, dalawa yan ha. Hindi lang isa, dalawa. Nandito kami ngayon sa Salvos. Kasi ito yung pinakamalapit na. Sinearch ko na pinakamalapit na op shop. So, magtingin-tingin tayo kung anong meron sila dito. Hey, go, go, go.
Mommy!
Hey, go follow ate. Slide. Oh, malaki yung ano nila dito, ha? Wash hands, ate.
Oh, today.
Oh, today. See here? Wash. Lini. Good. Oh, good. Okay. Ay, sus, pares. Tarid-so rin din sa alams ka na nakin, anak. We'll have a look here, be.
Nice, Mommy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Paris and her pearls.
Now, Chef Bernard's body.
Look at these beautiful shoes, guys. Mini girl, tingnan niyo ang batang yan.
See you later.
Oh, this caught my attention. It's super cute. Sobrang laki lang. 39. Ate, nak, read this lang.
So,
Fellini. Fellini, ang ganda sa ano.
Mommy,
Kaya lang.
if you see
Gosh, ang laki man. Ay. Oh, this is nice. Fila. Tagfila. Can you put sa manibi? Gibon eh. Ah, Lord. Ah, yes. Alam niyo ba, sobrang cute nitong ating baby girl. She's constantly asking kung are you happy? Tinatanong niya kami palagi, are you happy? Oh, pick it up, sweetie. Put it on your hair. So you look beautiful, okay?
Come, look.
Na-amaze talaga yan siya pag nakikita ng flashlight since nung nag-camping kami.
Hi.
Hi, who are you talking to?
I'm telling.
Who? Wait, what are you doing there, Paris? Huh? What do you say, Paris? Oh, thank you.
Maybe can have the purple one. Do you want purple?
Wow, look at that.
And a baby.
The baby.
I want it. Mommy, this is my favorite game.
Can you call Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Daddy. I will. I like it.
Huh? Is Daddy okay? Is Daddy okay? You know you can use it as a bag. Like this.
Hi.
Oh, like that.
Not my
See?
bag.
Oh. So, it's currently 10:49 in the morning, guys. Kakalabas lang namin from the op shop. And nakabili kami ng... Ilan ba to? 4? Yeah. 4.
Do you want hair?
And, open na nga natin ito, babe. Sila din yung may tinda nito, guys. Oh, chickpea chips.
Hello?
Ano to siya? Gluten-free. All natural. So, try natin.
That's so
Kung
scary.
anong
Hello,
lasa nito. So, today is Thursday. And you might be wondering why nandito ang ating Ate Paris. So, kahapon ay hindi yan din siya nag-school. So, we had to take her to the doctors kahapon kasi hindi maganda
When?
yung kanyang pakiramdam.
Today?
So, 5 o'clock, pumunta kami ng doktor. And, yun, chinek siya. Kasi kahapon, guys, she was complaining na masakit daw yung lalamunan niya. Ng doktor yung kanyang throat kasi nga sinasabi niya. And check yung ears, yung breathing and everything. So sabi ng doktor, okay naman daw yung tenga niya. Yung throat daw, yes, may pinkish, pero walang mga pus or anything like that daw. Like there's nothing serious there. Chinek yung kanyang paghinga and all. And it seems to be clear naman daw yung kanyang lungs. So sabi ng doktor sa amin na it could be just oh mama, open for you. It could just be like virus. So the doctor said water, rest, and Panadol. So hindi siya pumasok today kasi we make sure na kasama namin siya kasi pagpasokin siya sa school baka mag-stook doon. So that's why kasama namin siya. Pa-rest lang muna namin yan siya. Kaya lang today kasi nakabook na yung dentist ng daddy niya, matagal na. So kailangan namin pumunta dito sa Gold Coast. Sharing please. Pakita ko sa inyo yung napamili natin doon. Crystalline. Nice dress, diba? Bagong-bago pa guys. $3 for this. Orange na mga tatak. And then we have this. Pangtulog siya. Para kay Ate Paris naman to. Set siya na top. Tsaka shorts. Sobrang ganda. Tapos, merong isa dito, size 3. So, hindi pa yata to kasya kay Baby Celine ngayon. But, yeah, this is very, very jungle.
I love,
this lipid. Yeah.
and cheese.
And then, the last one is ito, jumper na pink. Alam nyo ba? I know I don't need it now kasi sobrang init dito. But, itong suot ko ngayon na gray na skirt, binili ko to siya kasi may nakita ako Instagram or somewhere na yung girl lalo nagsuot nito tapos itong pink na jumper pang winter. So naisip ko kasi pupunta kami ng Melbourne sa August, 'di ba? So winter yan. Kasagsagan talaga ng winter. Oh, you okay, baba? Kasagsagan ng winter. So sabi ko, perfect kasi nahanap ko siya. $5 only. Ganda nitong tingnan guys. Yung gray tsaka itong pink together. Super stylish siyang tingnan. So binili ko na. Ganda ng kanyang pagka-pink. So yun lang. Tapos yung laruan ni Lini dyan. $22 lang yung nabayaran namin, di ba? Ngayon ay maghahanap ako ng mapaglaruan ng mga kids na to. Hello? And then, yeah, we'll wait for Daddy Mike to call us na tapos na siya. Pick upin namin siya and then we'll drive back home. Suok. Yan, dito ko dinala yung mga kids kasi may park dyan. I'm still trying to figure out this parking kasi yung parking meter nila dyan sa gilid, sabi, use the next machine. Hindi ko makita yung next machine doon. Malayo siguro. So, 9902. It's 11:14 now. Maybe I'll put until 11. We'll just put that one. Can you see, guys? Ayan, hanggang 11:34. Nini, do you wanna do the swing first? Sobrang ganda, guys. So, kasi tingnan nyo. There's the water there. Nak, maayos sila ko nakuha. Look at the boat lang. Big one. There.
Mommy. Oh my God.
Yeah, do you want to sit there?
Mama,
Okay.
look at that one.
Ready, steady?
Go.
Wow! Lini. Yeah! Do you like it? Ate Paris is there also trampoline. Guess what guys? Ang aming Daddy Mike ay kaka-message lang. Sabi kakatapos lang niya. Sabi ko kakatapos mo lang? Kakarating lang din namin dito. Ah God, sabi niya stay there for a while. Hindi pa yun siya makakapasagot. Tinawagan ko, sabi niya I can't talk. Nag-message siya. I realized, oo nga pala. Binunutan nga pala ng hipon niya. Yay! Woo! Good girl, Lainey.
What's that there?
Yeah, ate there. It's very nice here kasi may shade ba oh? Kahit sobrang init, not too bad. Yay! Lainey love her swing. Hold on, ate.
Okay. You're high.
Jumping, jumping, Lainey. Woo, 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 woo. Oh. Run faster. Wow, good girl. No, because we have other kids lang. Sorry.
Having so much fun.
Yan na ang aming daddy. Sabi pa niya habang binubunutan daw siya, iniisip nga niya eh. Sabi niya, I was thinking about my girls. Sabi niya, kasi first time niyang mabunutan ulit ng ito nung bata pa siya. Kaya ayan. So kilala siya. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Bubbles. How are you?
Hold on, Mr. Daddy. You okay?
Daddy.
Are you crying?
I'm not crying.
There! Time for lunch, guys. Look where we are. Kubo's Bar and Grill. Okay, we're here now. Go inside.
Stop it, Mia.
Ang bumungad sa akin ay agad-agad. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Halo-halo. Dito lang yan, guys. 4 minutes away from Daddy's dentist. Let's go in. Look. Ate, stay na. Oh. We're getting bulalo, anak. And we can share. So, Daddy ay hindi pa makakakain, guys. He's going to get bush juice. Yeah. And then magalo-halo after. Let's see. We have puto. Ininit nila yung puto, guys. But I've got other stuff here. Oh. Biko, cassava cake. Alam niyo na si mami niyo. Puchita. Stocks natin for the next days. Puto pa more, anak. Bulalo kayo dyan, guys. Extra rice. That looks really good. Look at what Daddy's eating. Kailangan liquid lang yun sa kanya. Daddy, It's on your nose. It's on your nose. Selene, come here now, let's eat. You want corn? Halo halo time.
The staring at the on the sky.
In the sky. Say hi, moon.
Hi, moon. Is that Nina's eyes?
Oh, shush.
With my eyes.
It's not hurting your eye because it's the moon. If it's the sun, it will. Yeah?
This is hot on my
Good
eyes.
morning, titas and titas. It's now Friday.
And the mommy's
And-
face, my eyes as
Yeah.
eyes.
That's right. Yeah. Punta kami ng school nito, guys. Sinasabi ay ayaw niyang pumunta. So, ang ating Ate Paris ay she's feeling better today. So, she went to school. Dinrap ni Daddy Mike. So, ito siya idadrop ko sa child. What is the baby?
Not my school.
Not your school? What? You know, they're playing in the sandpit. I saw him.
I'm not.
Eh, lala, ayaw niya
I'm
talaga.
not my. It's a bed.
There's a big bird. What's the color of the bird, honey?
White.
White. That's right. Good
No,
job.
it's black.
No, it's white. Tingnan niyo, sobrang cute ng outfit ni Celine. Tingnan niyo. Oh, naka-Nike, ano, low dunks, naka-set. Ikaw na talaga, anak, ang fashionista, anak.
What's that?
What's that? The moon.
The moon?
Yes.
It's not sun. It's a
not sun.
moon.
Correct, yes. Kape-kape. It's already 10:55 ng umaga. Ngayon lang magkakape si mami niyo. So, that was the hardest drop-off so far. So, dinrop ko siya mga around 8:30 na, and alam niyo ba, nagstay ako doon for over an hour. Kasi ayaw niya akong bitawan, umiiyak siya. She was so upset. Even before going inside, sinasabi niya sa akin na, "Mommy, don't go. And this is her second week. Yes, second week. She only goes Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays, yeah. So, alam niyo yung merong space na, kasi Monday, Tuesday, sunod-sunod yung araw na pumupunta siya. So, kasi may time siya na with me Wednesday and Thursday. So, I feel like kapag Friday, ay namimiss niya na ako, di ba? Kasi nagsama kami ng whole days, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Anyways, sabi ng teacher niya na kaya ini-encourage nila yung quick drop-off, yung pagdating mo doon, see ya baby, and leave, instead of like hanging around kapag sad siya. But sometimes, you know, especially kanina, nafe-feel mo na sobrang sad niya, sobrang ganun talaga siya sa'yo, umiiyak siya. Back of my head, iniisip ko kasi wala naman akong trabaho. Normally, kasi before, tinatanong ako ni Daddy Mike, was Paris like that before? Kasi nung si Paris, nag-work ako, guys. So, there's no option. Like, kapag drop, okay, see ya, honey, I'm leaving. And, yeah, it's different situation this time. Anyways, I had to sneak out. Kailangan kong gumanon ko palabas. Nung yung teacher ay naglalaro sila ng cooking kasi nag-start siyang magluto-luto, ganyan. Doon na ako like tumakbo palabas. But tinitingnan ko siya from the window, and then umalis na ako, and Daddy Max said like, yeah, they will do their job, you know, and make her feel relaxed and just play, and hopefully she'll be fine. My goodness. And then pagka-uwi ko pa dito, guys, nagka-problema pa si mami niyo kasi di ba nag-post ako ng 3 items nung Wednesday, so ngayon hindi ko mahanap yung receipt. I remembered sa sasakyan yun, but alam niyo sa Daddy Mike, pag may nakikita siyang mga papel-papel sa sasakyan, tinatapon niya, and I felt like tinapon niya yun. And hindi ko makita, hinanap ko, hinalungkat ko na yung rubbish bin guys, yung garbage can doon kasi baka natapon niya ba, wala akong makita. And yung buyer, naghahanap na ng tracking number kasi yun yung sabi niya sa akin. Sabi niya na pag na-send mo sa akin yung tracking number. But that day, yan yung pinadoktor natin si Ate Paris. Hindi kami nag-vlog. Dinala ko sa Ate Paris sa doktor nun. So hindi ko na-send kaagad yung mga tracking numbers. And ngayon, tinawagan ko yung post office. Buti na lang guys, naging kaibigan ko na itong post office natin dito. So tinulungan nila ako, tinawagan ko sila. Sabi ko, naku, sabihin pa ng buyer na to na scammer ako kasi wala akong maipakitang tracking number. So sinearch nila guys yung day, amount. Buti na lang din, nagbayad ako through card. From now on, sa card na ako magbabayad. Kasi minsan, cash yung binabayad ko. So hindi matatrack kasi yung ginamit namin na pang track is kung how much yung binayad ko, anong oras ako nag-post, yun. Mabuti na lang nasa bank card lahat sa nakita yung mga information. So, that's a good thing about it. Yeah, yung pag-card yung binayad mo kasi natatrack just in case kailangan ba. So, I'm very happy. Ayan, the customer is happy now. Sabi niya, thank you so much. Provide na ako ng tracking number. Buti na lang din guys, meron tayong kakanin. Makakapag sa ating makapasaya. Tingnan nyo. Ininit ko ang ating puto tsaka kutsinta. How are you feeling today?
Better.
Better? Drink water. Have you been drinking water? How about lunch? Did you eat your lunch? Why is that? You didn't eat any? Why is that, Ate? Oh my god, we really have a problem, Paris. You not eating, it's not good. How will you get better if you're not even eating? Oh my god, come on, we'll go in the car and you eat your lunch in the car, okay?
Can I have a 5-minute play here first?
What is it?
5-minute play.
Yeah, but you didn't eat your lunch. Come here, I'll give you some of this food and then you can stay for a bit and play. Come here. Bring your water.
I want to eat.
You can do that, Baba, yeah? Daddy made your lunch and you didn't even touch it. How did you go with your homework?
Yeah, good.
Good?
The teacher didn't look so bad. Nice.
Okay. So that's what Daddy made for her for lunch. Now, why you didn't eat during lunch? Were you busy playing? What did you do?
It felt like we had a
Short
short lunch.
lunch? What do you mean short lunch?
Like a short lunch at second break. And I wanted to eat the rest at second break.
Mm-hmm.
I had that first break. And I want to eat the rest at second break. Oh wait. I had this at second break.
Okay.
And then I tried to eat the whole thing.
Wait, so iniwan pa dito. Where's the lid, sweetie?
I forgot that. I thought I lost the lid.
Which one would you like?
These.
This one? Okay, I'll give you one. That? Ooh.
That's violent.
Ooh, look how